Do I look like shit? I feel like shit. I've actually been feeling unwell for the past month. I've been home most of the month and I've been plugging away in my online business. It's day 31 today, guys, 31 of our 90-day challenge, and what an absolute blast I've been having, besides the fact that I've had that variant that's going around at the moment. Not out of the woods yet, and I have been home and I have had time to plug away and upskill myself, and it's been an awesome journey. It's unreal what I've learned about the digital space, digital products. Imagine having that in your online business and plugging away at your automations and building your funnels and a website fee that only costs $29. Not only learning that, learning about myself too, learning about mastering my own skills, putting me back up here where I need to be, where I haven't been, especially this past month. I have actually been feeling like shit. Today I'm not out of the woods and I still feel like shit today. But sorry if I look like shit today, guys. Kudos to my last post that I posted here, my last video. This is what I mean. I'm having fun with my online business, learning how to navigate around content creation, stuff like that. It's all happening and I'm loving the learn. Earning an income where I don't even know I've earned that, because it's all automatically happening in the background. There's quite a few sales and products that I've made, and I had no idea that money was sitting in there. How good is that? So anyway, guys, 31 days and I've just finally properly integrated Afterpay into my website, so you can purchase your online business. Listen to this, you can purchase your online business for as little as $100, and if you don't have that, you can actually purchase it through my Afterpay on my website. This is insane. You can buy a business and launch an online business and purchasing it through Afterpay. What next, guys? This is definitely the way the world's moving though. Think about it. I went to Coles the other day and there was a 6-star award sitting on the counter at their service desk. Absolutely nobody around. And I'm thinking, okay, you've got this 6-star award that's staring at me because that's the only thing that's there on their counter for customer service. No wonder you got the 6-star award, because nobody's there. Everything's on automations. People are losing jobs. There's going to be nothing soon. So it only makes sense to look at something in the digital marketplace. Find something that's going to suit you. And it's definitely my 2-hour workday suits me like perfect. I'm struggling trying to go back to work after having this month off, not being well at all. That hasn't been pleasant, but that's just how it's been. And I've still got the sniffles today and I still don't have a lot going on, so I feel like shit. So sorry if I look like shit, but I've been having so much fun learning. I'm loving this learn, and hopefully I get to quit my job soon. That's my ultimate goal. Anyway, guys, if you're here in Australia, click my links, go and have a look, have a read. If you can't afford it, Afterpay is there as an option. You can come in and start your own online business for as low as $100, but you'll learn more about that in my website. So go have yourself, guys, day 31. Looking forward to the next 30 days, and stay blessed out there. Keep it real and chase your dreams.